Hi everyone, it's me, Spring, the fiber enthusiast, and welcome to the channel. Today is a knitting stitch pattern. Today's pattern is the open ribbed granite stitch. So here is what it looks like, and this is after 11 repeats of the 2-row repeat. So here it is. Let me stretch it out so you can see. I think it is a stunning pattern, and once you get going on the 2-row repeat and you get it down, it is nothing to continue working. If you have used the open ribbed granite stitch before, please let me know what you used it for down in the comments section. And if you use this in something upcoming, I would love to see a picture of it. You can join us over on the Facebook group. You can tag me in Instagram, or you can send a picture to me via email. All that information is listed down below in the description box, as well as other ways to support the channel. All right, let's get into this 2-row repeat. Super easy. Multiples of 7 is your cast on. So I'm going to move that one out of the way, and we're going to bring over another worsted weight yarn. And we're just going to cast on a couple repeats. Now, mind you, this one here, what I have is 5 stitches in garter stitch on either side of the pattern. I also have a couple rows at the bottom and a couple rows at the top of garter stitch, just to kind of block out this pattern. Today we're only going to be going over the pattern stitches for both rows. Just so you know, it will look a little different. So I'm going to cast on a total of 14 stitches, and what that'll do is give me 2 repeats of the pattern, enough to show you a couple times. Now I am going to do a long tail cast on. You can cast on however you feel most comfortable. If you need help learning how to cast on and do simple basic stitches, I do have several videos on how to do some basic increases and decreases and left leaning and right leaning, as well as different ways to cast on. So I have 2, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and nope, 14. We're on 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All right. Let's go ahead and get started with our 2-row repeat with row 1. If you need to pause the video at any time to catch up, feel free to do so. All right. Row 1 is knit 1. Purl 1, knit 1. Now we're going to bring the yarn to the front and yarn over the needle, and we're going to knit 2 together through the back leg of the stitch, which is on the back side here. So we're going to insert our needles into that stitch, your right needle into that stitch, into the back legs, yarn over, and pull that yarn over through to create 1 stitch out of those 2. We're going to do that one more time. We're going to bring the yarn to the front, up and over that needle, place the needle into your next 2 stitches, yarn over, pull that through to create your new stitch. Pop off those 2 stitches, and you now have your new stitch. Let's repeat that one more time. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Yarn to the front, up and over, Insert your right needle into the next 2 stitches, and we're going to knit 2 together through the back leg. And one more time, yarn to the front, up and over. Insert your needle into the next 2 stitches and knit them together through the back leg. That is your repeat for row 1. Now let's begin row 2. Row 2 is your purl side. And row 2 begins with a yarn over. So yarn to the front of your needle, and then you're going to purl the next 2 stitches together. There we go. And we're going to do that one more time. Bring the yarn up and over the needle and purl the next 2 stitches together. Then we're going to knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. Now let's repeat that. Bring your yarn to the front, up and over your needle, and purl the next 2 stitches together. Bring your yarn up and over the needle and purl your next 2 stitches together. And then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Let's go ahead and work those 2 rows one more time together, just as a quick reminder. All right, row 1, your repeat is as followed. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Bring your yarn to the front, up and over, and knit the next 2 stitches through the back leg together. And we're going to repeat that one more time. Yarn over and knit the next 2 stitches together through the back leg. And that is your repeat for row 1. So knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Bring your yarn to the front, up and over for a yarn over, and knit through the back leg the next 2 stitches together, and you do that twice. Yarn over and knit those 2 stitches together. That is row 1. Let's do row 2 together one more time. Your repeat for row 2 is as followed. Bring your yarn over your needle for a yarn over. Insert your needle into the next 2 stitches to purl those 2 together. And we repeat that 2 times. So yarn over and purl 2 together. There's your 2. And now you're going to knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. And that is your repeat for row 2. Yarn over, purl 2 together, yarn over, purl 2 together, knit 1, purl 1, and knit 1. And that is your 2-row repeat for the open ribbed granite stitch. So here it is here, and then I'll bring the lighter color one back. Again, this has edge stitching and a little bit at the top and bottom to give it that nice finished look. All right, everyone. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've ever used this stitch. If you have, I would love to see a picture of it. If you make something upcoming with it, I would like to see that too. I want to see your work. All right, everyone. So that is it for this stitch tutorial. Be blessed and be a blessing. Bye for now, everyone.